So dropped packets suck a lot, and there can be quite a few things actually causing it. In this video, we're going to be going over some tips and tricks that you could try to get your stream back up and running. First and foremost, don't stream with Wi-Fi. Make sure you have a cable plugged into whatever device you're trying to stream from, whether it's a computer or maybe it's even just a console. Check and make sure it's plugged in. If you run over Wi-Fi, there's just a lot of things that can interfere with it and cause packet loss. Something as silly as a microwave or one of the older wireless home phones can actually cause a lot of issues. Second of all, just unplug the router for about 30 seconds and then plug it back in. But always remember to be courteous and let everyone know that the internet will be dropping. If you don't do that, you could have some bad luck like me. Roommate runs in half naked because apparently whenever I unplugged the router, I interrupted his German dungeon porn binge. There's literally nothing scarier than a half naked man running in screaming aggressively in German. Third, check and make sure your bitrate isn't actually higher than what your upload is. This is a common mistake that a lot of beginner streamers make. If you don't know what the upload speed is, what you can do is you can go to google.com, then you can type in speed test, and then Google will supply you with their very own speed test. You can just click run speed test. This will actually tell you the download speed and the upload speed. Now the upload is what we're going to be caring about. Don't worry about the download. What you'll want to do is set your bitrate to be about 75% of what your upload is. So my upload's roughly 5 megabits. What I set mine to is about 3,750. Now I will have a link down at the bottom, that way you're going to be able to look and you'll tell what resolutions actually need what bitrate. Fourth, what you can do is you can actually change the server that you're streaming to. Now Twitch has a bunch of different servers, and sometimes the auto actually doesn't work. So you may want to go to OBS, go to settings, go to stream, and then right in there you'll see where it says server. You can click on the thing next to it and that'll give you a list of servers. So what you'll want to do is read the list and then try to select the server that's actually closest to you. There's a good chance this could fix your issue. So fifth, you may actually need to tinker with the firewall on your computer. All you need to do is just disable it and then check it again and see if you're getting dropped packets. If you actually aren't, then what you'll need to do is just re-enable the firewall and then add an exception to be able to stream. Sixth, you may actually need to be updating the drivers of your network interface card. And to do that, you'll just go to the maker's website. You'll probably need to go to their support, sort of drill down to where you're able to type in the search. You'll type in the model of your network interface card, and then it should pull up the drivers. From there, just download it, install it, and then hopefully that'll fix your issue. Seventh, make sure you don't have any program on your computer that would be prioritizing any other application over OBS Studio. Now this also goes the same for your network. Some routers actually have what's called a QoS, or a quality of service, and they will prioritize certain things over streaming. The last but not least, number 8. Just contact your internet provider and see if they're having any issues. Most of the time if they are having issues, they'll get it fixed pretty promptly and you can get right back to streaming. Alright, that's about it for this video, guys. Please let us know if you're still having any issues. You can leave a comment down below, or you can join our Facebook group. If you do that, we may be able to answer back a little bit quicker.